This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely, lovely Friday. And yes, I said Friday because it's time we sit back, relax, and make sure we can talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, especially when we're getting pumped up as Ethereum is $10 away from $4,000 ETH. Let's go.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
This is absolutely amazing. Make sure you guys, again, are smashing the like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on. Because, again, this is history in the making. This is history right now that is going down. So, again, make sure you guys check out our lovely sponsors as well. We have Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Links are in the live chat as well as the description for everyone. Use code ZESTY for 20% off of Market Cipher. And code ZESTY for 15% off Crypto Savings Expert.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Happy Women's Day, smile.
Oh, thank you, Joe. Thank you. It is International Women's Day. Thank you, Joe Harvey. I appreciate that. And shout out to all my women out there. Hello, everybody. Thank you for the fire emoji, BGT. We have David. Thank you for the 5 memberships. Let's freaking go. Thank you for the membership-y. Make sure you guys are accepting those memberships and embracing them. Guys, we have things breaking out right now. Let me take a look. Let me show y'all. We are at $3,991 Ethereum. We're waiting for $4,000 Ethereum. This is absolutely huge. And again, once we enter, basically, we already entered it. 39.50 was where the golden zone began. So this is a critical level to make sure we could get to those all-time highs. Now, we've been battling this morning, the 39.80 just about. We retested 39.50, came back up to where we are at now. Oopsie. And came back to where we're at now. So now we see that Market Cipher has a green dot that printed, bringing that momentum up. The only thing I'm not enjoying right now, looking at this, which, again, anything could happen here. But looking at this VWAP, it's sharply going down. I would like to see it reverse and see if it starts to reverse. And money flow. There's a huge battle between the bulls and the bears here on the minute where you see that we are struggling to keep that money flow above the zero line. Big, big battle going on right now. RSI is not even overbought yet, which means that it still has room to run. That also gives me some hope. But the VWAP and the money flow, I think, needs to start coming through, guys. We also, again, 3,992.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
$10 from David Tejeras. Pump it up.
Let's go, David.
Pump it up.
You got to pump it up. Guys, we are getting after it. Make sure you guys smash the like, you subscribe, you share this stream out with friends. We have beautiful people in the chat as we are looking at Ethereum, trying to breach that $4,000. Who do we have this morning? Royal, nice to see you. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. To you. He typed good morning a lot, so that's why I'm saying good morning a lot, because he said it a lot, so I should say it a lot. We have Randy, Squeaky McGee, Meninja, John Germain, Tom Allen, Oval, All Set, Black Hat, nice to see you. Flat Smack, enjoying the Emma emojis in the chat. Hope you guys are all enjoying the Emma emojis. We have, who else? M2, Rogelio says, hola, buenos dias to you from Mexico. Buenos dias, my friends. Who else we got in the chat? David Bryan, Whaley, Nash, Crypto Farmer. Nice to see everybody. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin is going off. Holy poop, B&H Baker, Automatic Beats, Daddy-O, look at what's going on. Wow! Guys, we have $68,742 Bitcoin. And the next major point, again, is, of course, that 69K, which was that wick, our all-time high of 2021. So let's write that down here. ATH 2021. So that's what this is. This is all-time high of 2021, which was a major resistance. The all-time high was 69.3. So if we breach the 69K, we could very well test that 69.3, which is our new all-time high from the other day. So guys, this is huge stuff going on. $3,993 Ethereum. It seems as though, again, the battle is still ensuing with that mini candle going to down to 39.88, but being bought back up pretty nice. Money flow is coming in. Let's go, guys. Are we going to hit $4,000 Ethereum right now? Is the stream bringing the zest for the ETH pump?
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Sheesh, what do you guys think? We have Big Jim's Wiener Dogs in the chat. Team Miners. Hello, everybody. True. What's up, Naren? Me one. Oh, my gosh. Zarkov, nice to see you. Tom. Oh, my gosh. Hello, everyone. Dynastic Wolf, Tyler Fitzpatrick, David G, David T, everybody in the chat. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I appreciate all of you. Crimson Reigns is here. Daniel Hernandez, Joe Baker, Crypto Farmer, another Crypto Farmer, Jacob Montgomery, just everybody here. Good morning. It is so nice to see you. Lazarus, Miguel, everybody. Mercury from TikTok, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Again, we are seeing if we could break this $4,000 Ethereum right now. Smokey Dan, good morning. Chump Change, thank you for the raid. Oh my gosh, guys, are we going to make a move right now? Because again, we just got a red dot on the minute, which isn't the best. And what we've seen this morning is that we make a move, we pull back, make another move, but we keep going back to 39.50. Now, if we could keep going, would be nice. Again, because again, another move here to 39.74, retrace to that 39.60, and we're chopping it up. But it's actually pretty good that we're pumping, retracing, because it's showing some stability there, that it's not just pumping to no end. Because when you see those huge candles, it does mean that there might be a very nasty retrace. Now, if we just see if we could hold at least 39.70, not go below 39.50, that would be ideal. So let's keep an eye out for Ethereum. Again, 68.5 Bitcoin. We kind of hit a wall here at 68.7 with Bitcoin. Red dot on the minute. We're kind of tanking just a little bit. But again, doesn't mean that it can't get bought back up. And it seems like it's trying to do that now, Bitcoin, if you guys take a look at it. Trying to build her way back up. But the way Bitcoin is moving is great too. Moving up, pulling back, moving up, pulling back, and just slowly moving onwards and upwards. I think this is very, very different from the price action we saw in the bull markets past. So I think I'm very bullish on the price action. I love the way that Bitcoin and ETH is moving. It's not crazy, and if you look at the candles, it's not completely parabolic. You know what I mean? So I really enjoy the price action. I think we're doing really freaking good right now. All right. Zen Warriors. What's going on? What's going on, Zen Warriors? RM, nice to see you. All right, let's see. We got Wick in the chat. All set. Black Hat, nice to see everybody. Golf Wizard, what's up? All right, guys, let's get after it. Let's get after it. Again, make sure you guys.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
We also have 15,666 subscribers. Let's make sure we can hit 15,670 and pamp it up. Ooh, you guys are doing it. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. 3 more. Let's get 3 more.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Beautiful. We love the price action this morning, and we're going to keep an eye on it all. So make sure you guys, again, listen to Piano Matty B as we jump into the news, where we're seeing Bitcoin have some really nice price action today, up 2%, sitting at 68.4 right now, trying to actively test that 68.7 new resistance on the minute and testing that all-time high from 2021, which was just above 69K. Now, we do have Tom Lee that was on CNBC, and he is pretty good with his price targets. But again, nobody has a crystal ball. This is what his price prediction is for Bitcoin in the next 12 to 18 months.
When Bitcoin was 4,000, it came down from 20,000, and you used to come on and say, yeah, by the end of the year, it's going back to 20,000. I don't know how you feel confident doing those things. Now you've done it again, really, and with the, I don't know, what did you say by the end of next year? Where could it be in your view?
Well, I think that sometime in the next 12, 18 months, Bitcoin can be over 150,000. But that's because, the backdrop for Bitcoin is so much more favorable today. We've got more visible demand from the spot ETF, and we know the supply dynamic is improving with the halving coming up, which is less than a month away. It does help that the Fed is becoming dovish. I mean, that's easier monetary policy. And I think from a regulatory perspective, we had so many hammers dropped in the last 12 months, really 18 months, that unless it's going to be worse over the next 2 years, Bitcoin's already faced sort of the peak of regulatory backlash.
So that's pretty significant. So he's saying to watch out for over $150,000 Bitcoin in the next 12 to 18 months. He's talking about a lot of different things that are going into price action, which this guy is pretty smart. And I am a fan of Tom Lee. I hope to get him on the show one day. So thank you, Tom Lee, for that. And talking about everything that's going on in the crypto space, especially the unbelievable price action, which all the bears and everybody tried to say wasn't going to happen. 4-year cycle maxis. And now look at where we are. 68.5 reached all-time high already, trying to do that again. And all before that halving as well, which we are in uncharted territory now. We do not know what will happen. Not that we've ever known, but we really don't know what's going to happen this time with the upcoming halving, how this is going to affect price action. And a lot of people are speculating on whether or not this is priced in. But I don't know. Could you price in something like that? And I don't think fully retail is here yet. I think we have a lot of room to run. Oh gosh, Emma lost her emojis midstream. That's so messed up. Emma lost her emojis midstream. Oh, she can't even use her own emoji. I'm gonna throw it at you right now. Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny. Poor Emma in the chat. But yeah, so let's keep moving. Let's talk about some pro-Bitcoin things that are happening right now. Again, ETH, I'm looking 39.82. Okay, we could keep going. We could keep going because we want to make sure we could show off our ETH milestone here with $4,000 ETH, right? VVS. I was made to wear dresses. Thank you. Dano, nice to see you. Can I shout out Switch? Oh, hello, Switch. Happy birthday, Switch. Claps over here for Switch. Woohoo! Hey, Switch, happy birthday. Pimp it up today. Enjoy your Friday birthday. It's the best day to have a birthday on. Oh my gosh, membershippery. Mr. Yee coming in to save Emma with 5 memberships. She didn't get it, though. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Mr. Yee. I appreciate that. Guys, throw some Emma emojis in the chat. Give her some energy. Maybe she'll get some emojis because you guys are giving her that energy. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. That's too funny. We're going to talk about some pro-Bitcoin things that are happening on our beautiful Washington Capitol Hill, all that beautiful stuff, where we have Senator Cynthia Lummis, who is advocating for stablecoin regulation. Now, there's a lot of stuff with the stablecoin bill that I'm really not too much of a fan of because it's a lot of double standards where they, of course, want to make sure that Tether and all of these other people that issue stablecoins have reserves. But we don't know if they really have the reserves, but we don't even know if the banks themselves have reserves. So if we're not checking the banks the same way we're checking all these stablecoin issuers, isn't that, again, a double standard? Absolutely it is. We see here that she's pushing a stablecoin bill that she wants to ensure the stable prices. She's been working jointly with Senator Kristen Gillibrand for several months on a bill aiming to provide regulatory clarity for stables and protect investors. Citing several spokespeople for Lummis and Gillibrand's offices, they note that the senators hope to officially announce the news following encouraging feedback from multiple stakeholders. The NYDFS, the Federal Reserve, the Treasury, and the National Economic Council have provided technical assistance on the Senate bill. They worked on the stablecoin regulation. It wouldn't be their first foray, as in 2013, they had a joint effort to reintroduce legislation aimed at a comprehensive regulatory framework for digital assets. So mind you, they've been trying to push regulation for over 10 years now, yet nothing has been done. Why? Because these people in our country are old and they're not going to do anything that benefits anybody else but them. So they let people open up businesses, they let people have exchanges, create projects, and then just for years later, then to crack down on them and say they're breaking laws that don't even exist still to this day. In October of 2023, she backed a massive campaign, Cynthia Lummis, against Tether, asking the DOJ to consider criminal charges against them, alleging there was illicit financial transactions. Tether subsequently reacted to the DOJ, claiming it was a world-class partner to, and wants to be a world-class partner to regulators. She's been aggressively opposing CBDCs too, arguing that they're anti-democratic and a means of financial censorship, which is true. CBDCs take away everything you know and will know as freedom. Even if it's basic freedom, it will be taken away from you, which is something that we have to protect in the United States, is our basic freedom. And if you don't back Bitcoin, and if you are pro CBDCs, you are anti-America. And that's just the way it is, because they want to take everything away from you. Again, life, liberty, and property. You don't have any freedom. You won't have any choice, and you will have to buy whatever they want you to buy. If you filled your car up too many times, they're going to tell you you use too much gas, your carbon footprint's too big. Yet the people that create the system get to fly in their private jets and do whatever they want. So stablecoin regulation, it's needed, but also if they're going to apply these rules to crypto and stablecoin issuers, they need to do that to the banks as well. And I don't think that it's going to be a short period of time where they're going to be able to regulate this. It's going to be a while. Shout out to Mr. Yee for another 5 memberships. I appreciate that so very much. Oh, Emma still didn't get it. It's okay. We'll try again maybe later. I appreciate it very much. Beautiful. Speaking of CBDCs, we do have some more news on that front. So let's talk about it. We do have Jerome Powell, which we have an old video of him from January of last year talking about central bank digital currencies, and that if there was anything, it would have to maybe go through Congress. And he was wondering why things aren't 24/7 now.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
How is everyone in the Randi household doing? 0.01333777
Mr. Delululu, we are doing great. Thank you for asking, and thank you for the Solana. I hope you're doing good too. They say you will own nothing and like it. Yeah, they want you to own nothing and be happy. Jerome Powell was talking about CBDCs last year, that they're working on a wholesale, that they don't know about retail. But now, all of a sudden, Chappelle is saying that they're nowhere near pursuing a CBDC and that they don't want to spy on Americans, yet that's exactly what they're doing with the current financial system. So again, this is completely hypocritical. Jerome Powell testified and he said, quote, "We're nowhere near recommending or let alone adopting a CBDC in any form," adding that people don't need to worry about it. He told the lawmakers that if the Fed got closer to building a digital dollar, the banking system would be enlisted to manage people's accounts. If that were a government account, that the government would see all of your transactions, that's just something we would not stand for or do or propose here in the United States. He contrasted the U.S. thinking with China, where the government can track user activity with its digital currency. It really doesn't make sense here, where Jerome Powell is saying that we don't want to monitor everything you do, which they do already, and it becomes more powerful with the CBDC, yet he's also not acknowledging the multiple pilot programs that have been done by people like the New York Fed, with things like the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston in collaboration with MIT for Project Hamilton, the San Francisco Fed actively hiring people. So he's saying that they're not even near it. He's comparing it to China, which it is. It is a CCP-style surveillance tool. However, how can you say that it's not something we should worry about when it's already being tested, when our current regime has been pushing the testing for central bank digital currencies? He says, if we were to ever do something like this, and we're a very long way from even thinking about it, we would do this through the banking system. The last thing we would want with the Federal Reserve would be to have individual accounts for all Americans, or any Americans for that matter. He said that in the past, a central bank would await specific authorizations from Congress and the White House before a move to the digital dollar. From Cynthia Lummis, she said, "Do you still agree that the Federal Reserve cannot introduce a CBDC without congressional authorization?" He says, "Yes, I do." Now he's saying we need Congress, and that's only because, again, he got called out last year where they said you have to tell Congress what is going on here. Of course, because of all these backdoor little things like Project Hamilton, which was brought up in that same hearing that in that video I showed you guys from a year ago as well. So it's definitely a thought. It's definitely something that's prominent. Oh, Bullduck, thank you for 5 memberships. Still trying to help Emma. Poor Emma, man. Can't even use her own emoji. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate that so very much, Eric. Now, of course, it's not going to be over on that front, especially because we have so many things going on with CBDCs in other countries. And I feel like, I guess we just got to get into that because we have some more things going on with the SEC, but I want to stick on the CBDC train because it's not just this government that's talking about CBDCs, claiming that they don't want to do anything, that they're such a long time away from thinking about it. That's the same thing the ECB said. That's the same thing all these other countries said. And then out of nowhere, bam! We got those CBDC pilots rolling out, and there's nothing you can do about it. They want you to not worry until it's too late, and then you have to worry about it, and then you have to ask questions when they're already rolling things out. That's what they did with FedNow, using all of these other things. I want to talk about what's going on in the Philippines because I tell you guys all the time that CBDCs are not crypto. Even the economic report of the president from 2023 said the same exact thing, that money is issued from central banks from a sovereign country, and that's the medium of exchange. That's your, quote, store of value. However, in the Philippines, they have a WCBDC pilot project, which means a wholesale CBDC pilot program, and they're revealing details about it. Now, in the economic report of the president, as they were writing that CBDCs are not crypto, the reason is because one, it's central bank money, and two, because it doesn't require distributed ledger technology. It doesn't require transparency. You see that clearly outlined within this article about the wholesale CBDC project by the Philippines. Shout out to Alexandra G coming through with 10 memberships.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you. Here we go. An official at the BSP, the official central bank for the Philippines, has revealed more details about the central bank's plans for the WCBDC. BSP Deputy Governor for Payments and Currency Management Sector, Murto, told a press conference on March 6th that the WCBDC pilot project called Project Agila would be completed by the end of the year. He called it a learning exercise and said, "We envision a Philippines where access to securities and similar investment instruments can be democratized, meaning they could be purchased for smaller issue sizes and much lower fees, so that any Juan or Maria can not only dream, but actually own securities." Which, if there is a CBDC, it will not be democratized. It will be completely a controlled and closed environment where you won't get to choose how you use your money unless they let you use it the way they permit you to. There are 6 domestic banks that are part of this to use the WCBDC to transfer funds among the banks. He said, but we also like to see if this CBDC can be used for higher value adding services like securities settlement. Listen to this. This is the crucial part, guys. BSP Governor Eli told the press in February that the central bank was only considering a WCBDC due to concerns about bank disintermediation and similar issues associated with the potential issuance of a retail CBDC. The CBDC would not operate on the blockchain. That is the only line you need to hear because they've been saying since 2020, they're even saying now that they're not exactly sure because of bank disintermediation and basically bank runs that would happen. Yet that's the whole goal of this system, is for all the systems to collapse and there be central bank digital currencies, which will melt up into a one world currency. That's the ultimate goal. And it's not something that's woo-woo. It's not something that's a tinfoil hat. It's something that's legit and is actively happening now. It's biblical even, if you want to go that far into it. See here, they know they're going to have this wholesale CBDC. They already have 6 banks involved. They can't be thinking about something that they're actively doing. It's thought out, it's done, and they will get this WCBDC project done, move it over to retail. And again, there will be no blockchain, which means it will be a closed system. And if they don't like you, they don't like what you're doing, they will block you as a person. So if you try to create a new bank account, if you try to make a new wallet, they will not let you because they will know who you are. If you want to go 10 miles away from your home, but they say you can only go 5, you will not be able to spend your money. That is not free. That is not you being in control of your value. That's you owning nothing and being forced to be happy. That is not right, which is why we need Bitcoin, which is why we need money that belongs to us that nobody can take from us. And that's it. Where we still have Nigeria that's trying to push their CBDC and it's not working. We see all of these countries trying to push CBDCs and it doesn't work because people do not want to be taken over. We want to have Bitcoin, something we could transact with peer-to-peer, 24/7, 365 with no censorship, a finite supply of 21 million, a halving schedule every 210 beautiful blocks, 210,000 beautiful blocks. It's horrible that people have to suffer through CBDCs and what all these people decide that we didn't vote for, that we don't have any say in. When we have a choice to buy Bitcoin, we have a choice to be able to take part in a decentralized financial ecosystem. That's the best performing asset of all time. And speaking of the best performing asset of all time, Bitcoin is charging at $69,000 right now. We have $68,926 Bitcoin. We were up 3%, approaching our all-time high from 2021, which was just a hair over 69,000. Our high from the other day was $69,300. Now we are getting quite close. We do have that snag of red volume that came in, pulling Bitcoin down a little bit, but she's fighting back. A green dot was printed. Now we have a red dot, but we're going to see what happens with that. And if the VWAP picks back up, and if Bitcoin can fight the fight, stay above 68.9 and go towards $69,000. That's what we need. That's what we need. The RSI is bad, you're saying? Yeah, I mean, listen, we're chopping it up with the minute RSI. This is very, very messy, guys. Very, very messy. So we're going in the downward direction. Could we have had a mini top, a local few minute top? It's possible. But could it get bought back up? It could. And it seems like there's a shot that it could be getting bought back up right now. So I'm eager, guys. Oh my gosh, are we going to hit $69,000 on the stream? Sheesh. And we got Ethereum that's sitting at 39.74. We saw that little high over there from 39.94, really trying to push that $4,000. All right. I don't know. I'm so excited, guys. What's going to happen? 950. Oh, my gosh. 950. Woo! Come on, Bitcoin, go. You can do it. 955. Guys, are we going to hit 69K right now? Put it in the chat. Are we going to hit $69,000 Bitcoin right now? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or a 2 and a no emoji. Put it in the chat. Now, now, now.
Oh
God, Mr. Teen is back.
Breaking news: Chloe Grace Moretz to star as Razzle Khan in $4 billion Bitfinex Bitcoin heist film. 0.0066668890 sold.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. Guys, what's going on? Andy S. Put a 2 said Bitcoin's teasing us out here. $68,980, guys. Come on. I don't know. Are we going to hit 69K right now? 1 for yes or 2 for no. Are we going to get gypped? Are we going to get gypped? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Chump change in the chat. Tell me, Tave in the chat. Tell me, Sadie sometimes. Moonshine Fuel said, let's go. I don't know. It seems like we're fighting. This is a very tight consolidation here. Very tight consolidation at 68.9. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it, boo. My boo. Started when we were younger. You were mine. My boo. Joe Baker said, Parabolic time for Bitcoin. I don't know. I'm ready. I'm ready for it. When you're ready, come and get it. No, 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 no. Bionic said Bitcoin is a tease. I don't know. 69,988. Come on. Come on. Close this candle right here. Close the candle. Sheesh. Guys, we need to close this candle above this wick high. Above the wick high. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Guys, are we about to hit $69,000 Bitcoin? 993. What? 994. Oh my gosh, guys, are we gonna hit $69,000 Bitcoin right now? What?
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh my sheesh. Holy poop. Holy poop. I am so excited. Pamp it up. You've gotta pamp it up. Don't you know, pamp it up. You've gotta pamp it up. Don't you know, pamp it up. What am I looking at? I'm looking at the chartery, my friend. I'm looking at the chartery. Guys, we are pumping. We have over 180 people in here. Let's pamp up those likes. We have 112 likes. Let's get 150 right now.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Again, oh, wow, getting taken down right now. Bitcoin just playing games, messing with everybody's head. Look at this, a fat red candle. Oh no, Bitcoin, no. Bitcoin, what are you doing? Don't do this, Bitcoin. Wow, that was a drop. That was from 68,996 to 68,7 in like a second. Oh my gosh, that was like wow. Oh my gosh, look, it's getting bought back up. This is bullish. This is bullish. Wow. Wow. This is nuts. This is nuts. Holy poop. Guys, look at this. Look, and it all started because we were tussling with 69.6. No, 67.6. Sorry, I'm so excited. 67.6. And then now we're charging that 69K. I think we can do it, guys. I think we can do it. I have faith in the corn. 930, we're back. Guys, we're freaking back. 943. Dude, if Bitcoin closes this candle, like, out where it started, the last one, oh my God. We were so close. We were so close. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Green dot printing on market Cipher. Let's go, boo. Let's get it. Let's freaking get it. I'm so excited, guys. This is ridiculous. Johan is like, OMG, oh my God. I'm ready. I'm ready. 68,974. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin 980, 982. We need a confident push. We need a confident push. Oh my gosh. 985, 985. Are we going to $70,000 today? Are we going to $70,000 today? Is that happening? Oh my gosh, 68,978, 991, 984. Come on, Bitcoin, break that. Did we do it? Did we do it? We did. We did. Oh my gosh, $69,000 Bitcoin. Did we get it? It's here. Wow. Oh my God. No way. No way. We just did it. Let's go, Bitcoin. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Are we hitting new highs today? Are we hitting new highs today? Wow. We hit $69,000 on Coinbase, guys. I see it on my other device here. I'm looking at like 3 different charts right now. This is ridiculous. Wow. Wow, we did it, guys. We freaking did it. Wow.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow. A pump on a Friday, man. A pump on the Friday. Wow, this is absolutely freaking stunning. This is absolutely stunning. I'm keeping my other chartery open in front of me here. Wow. Go Bitcoin, man. Go Bitcoin. That is gorgeous. That is so amazing.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow, look at Bitcoin. Oh my gosh. And look, it keeps going back to that same, like, it keeps going back to 68. Is it going to go back to 68.7 again? Wow. Bitcoin killing it right now. I'm so shook, dude. I'm so shook. 39.50. Again, our little resistance here is that 39.52. Hopefully that turns support. But that seems like where Ethereum is just gravitating towards. Wow, that was so stunning just there. That was 69K again. Oh my God, we keep hitting 69K. Are we gonna go? Are we gonna go? Oh my gosh, I'm losing the noodle, guys. Noodle is lost. Can I have some noodles in the chat? Give me that noodle emoji in the chat, because I'm losing it right now. Losing it. Dude, $69,000 Bitcoin is back. Welcome back, boo. Welcome back. $69,000 Bitcoin. It's like the price is frozen.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Yo, Boo Man.
Here's to the Friday pump.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you as always. Guys, we're literally trying to tap that all-time high from 2021. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. This is wild to watch. Oh my gosh, guys, this is wild. Smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. Wow. Dude, no way. No way. This is a huge battle. Look at the volume. Red to green to red to green. Like, there's a huge battle. Pew, pew. Come on, Bitcoin, go. Test the high. Test the high. Test the high. Wow. Vroom, vroom. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Wow, this is stunning. Also, guys, we have how many subscribers? Look at that go. 15,673. That is amazing. Let's get that 15,680. 7 more. 7 more. Wow. Look at Bitcoin. This is crazy. I'm getting excited. I'm excited. $69,000 Bitcoin. I really want to know where it's going to go from here. The VWAP is starting to move. Momentum is moving up. Whew. This is crazy. This is so crazy. It's a lot to watch. Oh my gosh. ETH does not like 4K. No, it doesn't. It does not. It's really trying. It's really trying. We're at 39.60. Sheesh. Again, like I'm still looking at the 39.50. But we're technically in the golden zone, so I'm very happy with it. Wow. Look at Bitcoin. A lot of Christmas tree action. Red, green, red, green, red, green. A lot of dots being printed. Are we going to charge this? Come on. Oh, we hit the 2021 all-time high just now.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Let's go, Bitcoin. 69K. Wow. We just tested 2021 all-time highs. Really nothing better, man. There's nothing better than watching Bitcoin pump. Like, this is ridiculous. We're up 3% today, $69,000 even. Wow. Wow, this is mind-blowing. Come on, Bitcoin, keep going. I want to see a nice move. $69,069. I just saw that. 69.69, 69.84. Oh my gosh. 69,100. Oh my gosh, 112, 117. What?
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow, guys, we're seeing Bitcoin move. We're seeing Bitcoin go. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. 69 too. Wow, guys, Bitcoin is going. Bitcoin is going. Wow. Wow. This is crazy. Guys, look, 269.2. Again, the high is 69.3, so we are $100 away from Bitcoin all-time highs. Oh my gosh, are we going to break a new all-time high? 234, 237. Oh my gosh! 250, 293. Come on, test that go. Wow, dude, no way. No freaking way. No way. Come on, Bitcoin. You could keep pumping. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it. Pump it. Look, guys, we got that momentum moving. The VWAP is a little bit sideways. Let's see if we could get her to keep going. The RSI, oh my gosh. Guys, I don't know what to do. My eyes are glued. My eyes are glued to the chartery. My eyes are glued to the chartery. 69.3, 69.4. What? 436. We just hit a Bitcoin new all-time highs. Oh my gosh, $69,500. What? What? Guys, Bitcoin is breaking all-time high. Oh my gosh, 69,750. Holy poop. Are we getting $70,000 right now? What? What? Guys, what? We just hit $69,800. Are we hitting oh my gosh, are we hitting $70,000? Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. Oh my gosh, I can't even breathe. I cannot even breathe. Bitcoin is breaching all-time highs right now. This is new all-time highs for Bitcoin right on the stream. Guys, like, subscribe, share right now. Pump it up.
Oh, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh my gosh, 866, 868. Come on, Bitcoin, let's go. 70,000, 69,888. Holy, 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 oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Guys, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh my gosh. I can't believe what's going on. 69,816. Come on, Bitcoin, let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Don't go into the red. Don't do this to us. Let's go. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Dude, this is ridiculous. This is insane. This is insane. New Bitcoin all-time high. Wow. Wow. Bitcoin literally just hit all-time high. Bitcoin literally just hit all-time high. What is going on? Oh my gosh, 888. Are we getting $70,000 Bitcoin? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys. 966. 969. What? 982. Guys, are we gonna hit $70,000 Bitcoin right now? No way. 990. 990. $70,000 Bitcoin. What?
Oh, pump it up. You got
Guys,
to pump it up.
what is going on? Wow. I can't believe it. Let's go. Let's go. $70,000 Bitcoin. What is going on? What is going on? 70.1. Guys, we're moving. We're moving. Oh, no way. 183, 184, 187, 192. Oh my gosh, are we going to 70.2K? Are we going to 70.2K? No way we just hit $70,000 Bitcoin. No way we just hit $70,000 Bitcoin. Guys, this is history. Do you realize how historic this stream is right now? $70,000 Bitcoin. We celebrated just now. $4,000 ETH was hit. $4,000 ETH, $70,000.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
All right, guys, we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. Let's see if we get bought back up here. Wow, guys, this is historic. Absolutely historic. We just broke $70,000 Bitcoin together. Can you believe? Wow, we're dumping, guys. 69.3. 69.3. Come on, Bitcoin. Stay awake. Come on. Stay with us, Bitcoin. Stay with us. Guys, no way. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry.
Oh, my God.
Holy wow. Holy wow. I can't believe what's going on. Guys, we have so many people watching. We have over 200 people watching on YouTube, over 500 people watching on X. Make sure you smash the likes, you share the stream out with friends, because we are watching history happen right now. This is $70,000 Bitcoin for the first time. Do you guys realize what's going on right now? We saw once we hit that 70,000, people took profits here. Same thing with ETH at $4,000. It seems that we are getting defended here at 39.20, and we're trying to get bought back up. This is insane. All the sell orders that were out here are getting out of the way, clearing up. Limit orders are probably filling right now. Wow. No way. No way. Squeaky McGee said, Randy asked the market and we received. Gotta love it. Absolutely. Tave gave away 50 memberships in the chat. Let's go, Tave, for the membershipry for all-time highs. Oh, my gosh. Guys, I don't know. I feel like I need rave music. I need to, like, break out in, like, song and dance like High School Musical or something. We're soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can't reach. If we're trying, now we're breaking free. Oh my gosh, I'm losing it. Wow. I cannot believe what's going on right now. I'm going to cry tears. We literally just hit 69,000 and then went straight to 69.3 and straight to 70.2 thousand freaking dollars. No way. I can't believe what just happened. Like, this is so ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is pretty wild. I'm not going to lie to you. Look at what's going on here. Look at the membershipry. Look at the price action. We're getting bought back up, guys. We're moving on. Moving on up. My gosh, I'm just thinking about all the times that people laughed at Bitcoin in our lives, guys. We've all gone through it. People think we're crazy. Why would you buy Bitcoin? And look at what's happening right now. My brain is hurting. Incognito, thank you for the heart me. I need love right now. Please send me hearts in the chat. Guys, please send me love in the chat. Please give me 100 emoji. Give me a heart emoji. Give me something in the chat. Give me love. I need love right here. Wow. No way. No way this is going on right now. This is emotional. This is highly emotional. Wow. Seems like our new resistance is 68.8 again. 68.8, always an issue, man. Always an issue. But wow. This is unbelievable. We literally just hit 70.2K. That is our new all-time high. Wow. Guys, make sure you're liking, subscribing, sharing this out with friends. We have 6 more subscribers until 15,680. Let's make sure we get those 6 more subscribers out here. Wow. I can't believe what's going on, dude. This is so unbelievable. This is historic. And I know the memberships are coming through, so it's going to be a minute. But Tape, thank you so much for the $100 super chat. Thank you so much. Friggin' Tape. Tape is like killing me with kindness today. He says, 4K ETH, 70K Bitcoin. We just witnessed history. Holy. Absolutely. You got to pump it up. Holy wow. Holy freaking wow. This is ridiculous. Wow. Paul Kelly said, but the fact that Bitcoin has surpassed all-time highs means we're officially in the bull market. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Wow. Golf Wizard, I'm on the Coinbase chart. Tom Burke, hello. Flashback said diamond hands until we hit $1 million. Sheesh. Guys, I guess my poll is irrelevant. 4K ETH today. It already happened. What's our new poll? Let's do a new poll. 75K Bitcoin today. 75K Bitcoin. today? Question mark. Let's see. Let's put in that new poll for the chat. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, share. Piano Matty B, sing it for me, boo.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Wow. Let's get a sound check.
The sound check, baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yourself?
Okay, so here's your options for the poll. 75K Bitcoin today, question mark. First option is frick yes. Second is now, we topped out. And 3 is 75,000 chicken nuggets for Emma. Pick your little option there. Poor Emma, you still didn't get a membership. That's freaking hilarious. True Elite, yes, it's not even the halving, and this is all happening. Do you think we liquidate shorts by hitting 75K Bitcoin next week? There's definitely going to be people that are going to take profits. There are going to be people that short. So there's always going to be people out there. But I think to be doing that at this point is very scary. We are defending 68.6 again. 67.6, sorry. Very interesting resistance that's hopefully turning support now. We want to breach that 68.8 and go to 69K again. Come back, Bitcoin. Come back. Jack. Bitcoin. Come back. Come back. Bionic. We're seeing profit taking right now. Absolutely. People had sell orders. Maybe people even had buy orders at this level, but a lot of people probably shorted. And we're like, I'm gonna short $70,000 Bitcoins. Which again, the psychological level, wow. I just can't believe what we witnessed. We literally witnessed that live. Who is this? Hammer says, so happy for you. Please protect all your generation from corruption. You are amazing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And that's why we're here, is to speak out, speak our truth, and make sure people understand what it means to be their own bank. Because that's why we're here. I say it all the time. It does not matter what price Bitcoin is. What matters is having money that belongs to you. And on top of that, having money that's not constantly devalued. That's what's important. So Bitcoin, again, actively trying to defend this 67.6, trying to maybe make its way back to 68.8, which seems to be the new resistance here. And we're seeing with the ETFs as well that Fidelity had its largest day of inflows, which was $473 million yesterday. And it had $6 billion total of inflows since January 11th. So obviously the Bitcoin ETFs are taking off. They have a lot of Bitcoin that these institutions are buying. BlackRock is actually planning to purchase spot Bitcoin ETFs for its global allocation fund here. We see they want to purchase Bitcoin ETFs for its global allocation fund, according to the U.S. Asset Managers updated filing with the SEC. They said, quote, the fund may acquire shares in the ETPs that seek to reflect generally the performance of the price of Bitcoin by directly holding Bitcoin ETPs, including a share of Bitcoin ETP sponsored by an affiliate of BlackRock. This utilizes this fund U.S. and foreign equity, debt, and money market securities in maximizing returns. They also filed to incorporate a spot Bitcoin ETF into a strategic income opportunities fund that holds $36.7 billion. So there you guys go. It reached their IBIT. The ETF reached a record daily inflow of $788.3 million on Tuesday, following a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Wow. And they currently hold over $12.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Not million, billion. So we have some major stuff going on right now. Major. Oh my gosh. I can't believe. I freaking can't believe. What is going on, guys? Please tell me what's going on. Like, this is overzesting. I'm overzesting. Congrats to everyone, man. This is wild. Sound check. Baby, it's a sound check. Oh my gosh, this is so ridiculous. 68.4, guys. This is stunning. Look at the chart. We have, again, that nice bounce. Nice little recovery here. That's actually pretty bullish. The way we recovered, especially because we have a green dot that just printed. VWAP is all right. I would like to see a little bit more action on the VWAP, but look how fast that RSI went from overbought almost to oversold in only the matter of a few minutes. So I would be aware of the RSI and how that's moving right now. But definitely keep an eye out for Bitcoin and the price action here. And hopefully we could return to that $4,000 ETH. That was so ridiculous to watch. I can't even believe it. Shout out to Tate for all these memberships too. Let's talk about. I have so many pieces of news here that like I can't even my eyeballs. I can't even focus because I got the chart. So we were talking about all of the things going on with the Philippines, how they have their WCBDC that they don't plan to integrate blockchain technology into at all. And Nigeria has been pushing their CBDC. And what they did there is that they essentially banned crypto, told people that they cannot use cash, can't withdraw more than $45 a day, and that they have to essentially be forced to use the CBDC, which controls their entire life. And it did not go well. People were rioting outside the banks in Nigeria. And obviously, their central bank knows that the CBDC is failing, knows that they had to create a new stablecoin so that way they could get some more traction, but it's still not working. And they're enlisting more help to boost their CBDC called the e-Naira. The Central Bank of Nigeria is working with blockchain tech firm Glua Nigeria to make an e-Naira digital currency system that's more efficient and boost the adoption in the country because, again, nobody wants to use it. The central bank is planning to issue an application for programming interfaces. So those are APIs to Glua for integration with the company's Credial blockchain technology. APIs are software intermediaries. They allow applications to talk to one another, and APIs are commonly used for everything. The core objective is to harness the power of blockchain tech to enhance the financial inclusion, improve e-Naira functionality, and foster financial innovation. They want to connect through Credial, and it's intended to ensure easier loan origination, tracking. Again, here it goes. They want to know where things start. Again, loan origination, the tracking, settlement, and credit scoring for local fintech lenders. Credit scores are already using the lingo. We do not want credit scores. We do not want people to censor us. We do not want people to tell us what to do. We know that the e-Naira wallets they're forcing people to use and that they had the CBDC since 2021. They tried to ban crypto. They're still saying, the Nigerian SEC, that crypto is for criminals. And they're trying to come up with guidelines for crypto exchanges to stop this criminal activity when all the criminal activity happens within the traditional financial system. It happens with cash, not crypto. And again, the only reason why would Nigeria be saying this, because they want their CBDC to work and nobody wants to use it. Peer-to-peer trading for crypto is soaring in places like Nigeria because they don't want to be held back anymore and they don't want to be censored and controlled completely with limits on what they can do with their money. Nigeria's SEC is issuing their guidelines and updating them for crypto service providers to block criminals from engaging with capital markets. They followed the headlines from February that the government blocked local access to several crypto platforms. That includes Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. They even came after Binance a few weeks ago. They wanted $10 billion in penalties for saying they enabled around $26 billion worth of untraceable funds to be processed in Nigeria when, again, they don't even have proof of that. And they haven't even showed all the blockchain transactions that they say are illicit financing and not being surveilled properly. Their new guidance said they're going to ensure criminals are not registered as operators in the capital market, although it's unclear how criminality would be assessed. So they don't even have a real guideline for how they're going to go after this. The only thing that I give Nigeria credit for in this situation is that they came out with documentation on what a digital asset is. Sorry, TikTok, it's making me do all these things. They came out with what a digital asset is, what a digital asset service provider is. So at least they're saying some definitions, but it's not even something that's significant in this case because they're not even using the definitions to properly regulate the space when they're saying it's, again, for criminal activity when they haven't even shown proof of that. The U.S. government with Binance has not shown proof of that. It just goes to show that Binance gets attacked at every angle possible, yet they don't do anything to prove what has gone on there. And the executives that they picked up from Binance, who are they? Where are they now? And are they going to be charged with any criminal activity? They will never tell you the truth. Wow. Hello, everyone. Thank you guys for becoming members. Hope everyone is enjoying the membershipery. Oh my gosh. The CBDC stuff is hard, dude. And I have to talk about it. I don't have a choice because we got to educate people. We have to tell people what's really going on in this world so that people know that countries like Nigeria, they say crypto bad crypto. And then they create their own CBDC, and that's why they FUD crypto, because obviously people aren't using it and they don't want to be controlled. So that's the way it is. What are my thoughts on XRP? I could look at the chart for you later, but I'm not a fan of it. I don't support Ripple. I don't support a mission with XRP to be able to take over your entire life and promote CBDCs and private ledgers, which if you're standing for Bitcoin and freedom, why would you support something like that? It's just my opinion. And when you buy it, you give liquidity for them to dump on your head as they usually do at Ripple. And what are you going to do about it? Keep holding it. So yeah, I just don't trust them, I think, is my main issue there. I don't trust them. And I don't think they have good intentions for the people that are literally giving them liquidity to keep doing what they do on a general basis. So I don't know. Facts are facts. That's literally just their goal and their objectives. And I just don't morally align with their objectives like I do with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and all of my other coins that I do support because I'm here for decentralization and I'm here for people and defending their rights. Life, liberty, and property. That's what I believe in. And XRP is the exact opposite.
You're welcome.
Oh gosh, what is...
You're welcome.
Please buy some chicken nuggets for Team Randy for lunch. 0.2309682
Quackenstein mixed silly pants? What was that?
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
$4.32 from Memory Man. Infinite blessing you all. Folded hands.
Thank you, Memory Man. Infinite blessings to you, my friend. Thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot. Thank you guys. I'll get some chicky nugget. I'll get some chicky nuggies for Emma. I'll get some chicky nuggies for her, and maybe my dad if he wants a chicky nugget. Like I won't take away his nuggetry, you know. And shout out to Tate for that $100 super chat. Shout out to Will Benj for that $20. He said, "Love how your energy is at the fun level, no matter what Bitcoin price is. Awesome sauce." Well, thank you for that. I appreciate it. Oh, wrong button. I appreciate it. Rena, love to you guys. Holy sheesh. I think my bot was overloaded because of all those memberships. Oh my gosh. Literally. Wow, that's crazy. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Wow, you guys are too good. You guys are too good. I feel like I have to like play that GIF for that $100 super chat because like it's worth it. So I'm gonna like do a little, see, it doesn't register here. I'm looking on my back end and there's a big problem with this bot. So I really apologize. I'm going to play it. I'm going to play the $100 super chat anyway. Let's emulate to super chat. Okay, we're going to do it. $100 and Tave. All right. All right. I just wrote a new message, but I wanted it to play for you. So.
Zest.
Thank you, Tave. I did that gift for you because I didn't like that my bot's messing up. So I manually super chatted that one. So thank you. I appreciate it. Ah, that was so awesome. Thank you, Tave. Shoosh. My gosh, that is so awesome. I know. I played his super chat for him. Thank you, Tave. He has the laugh emojis. He understands. Shout out to Will too. Thank you so much. Like you guys are so great. I appreciate all the contributions to the channel, supporting our journey to get us to our future goals of love and zest and positivity, which we're already doing, which is beautiful. Guys, 3 more subscribers. Let's get that 15,680. We can do it. 3 more. 3 more.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this
Oh my gosh, wow. This is such an amazing freaking chat. Like I can't believe what we're doing, man. I can't believe what we're doing. Javier, thank you for the heart me and the hat and mustache. Juanito gave me the heartbeat. Thank you. Diggy.
Welcome. Thank you.
Diglets.
$50 from 3 Diglets. Bitcoin is a sham, a hawkster, an imposter, a phony, a fake, not real, fairy dust. Sell, sell, sell.
Oh my gosh, Diggy, you're funny.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Diggy is awesome. Shout out to 3 Diglets in the chat. He's such a cool dude. Daniel said, "You're a breath of fresh air every morning." I appreciate that so much. You have no idea. Wow. My heart. My heart. You guys are so beautiful and amazing. We're trying to hold 68K, guys. We have that 67.6 that was defended right here. That all-time high from 2021 is at this level, just a smidge over 69K. And now we have our new all-time high, which is that wick high there of $70.2 thousand. So this is wild. I'm highly emotional, highly emotional. I'm just so happy that this is going on right now, and we deserve this so much to see some momentum, because especially like just for the sake of the chartery, like looking at 15 to 17K was so hard to look at, because it was just months of just this on the chart, just nothing, flat. And now we finally have some price movement, and I just love that Bitcoin just continues to surprise people. And I was on a space yesterday with Time, like Time Magazine, their Time Pieces account. And I was on with some wonderful ladies, including Mama Goat, Wendy O. And we were just like talking some mad stuff. And it was just really great. And we were talking about, I mentioned on that space that Bitcoin just does what no one thinks it's going to do. When we were last bull market, everyone thought we were going to 100K once we hit 69, and that did not happen. And then when we went into that little bear market, that mini bear market, we had that 15K Bitcoin. People swore we were going to 10 or lower. And then we went the opposite way. And I was even saying at that time, I got to find those clips where I was talking about it, where I was like, maybe like we're not going lower. I was like, maybe the sell pressure isn't there, because at that time, people were taking all of their crypto off of the exchanges. So it was a really interesting time to just like essentially be alive and just look at the sentiment of the people and what they were thinking. Just, I don't know. I have so much love in my heart for Bitcoin and just what it does. Because again, people had this 4-year maxi thing. Oh, no way we're going to see all-time high until after, when that's just not it. So I think, we just went through so much. I'm just so happy. Wow. Just wow. Straight up. Nothing better than the zest. Nothing better than the zest. So shout out to everyone that's made it this far, that has been doing everything in their power to stay in the space. We do have the market recap, so let's get into it. We have Floki that is 60%. Pulse Chain and Hex are flying today. Pepe is doing very well. Bonk is up 7%. Pepe's up 23%. Again, Floki up 6%. Dog with Hat is up 15% just about. So yeah, things are absolutely flying right now. We're going to look at Bitcoin again. Let's go to the daily. As we know, she's struggling, gravitating back towards that 67.6 again, guys. Wow. And again, that 67.6 right there was the highest daily candle close from November of 2021 right there. And then the all-time high of 2021 was right here. And now we have our new wick high on the daily. So we're doing pretty well. I'm hoping that maybe this is a 3 white bros kind of forming here, and have another candle to confirm it. We have the VWAP on the daily that's trying to breach that 0 line. Although we still have a red dot technically that's playing out. I would like to see if that moves up a little bit. The RSI on the daily is heated. We are overbought, so we could have a possible retrace, but I'm always waiting for the retrace, guys. But at the same time, Bitcoin is unpredictable, and we've had a really nice retrace before moving back up, and it was this 63.7 was defended highly defended. I really love how it was defended. We had those wick highs, we tested it, came back down, and just went back up. So good for Bitcoin. And again, the golden zone, which brought us to those all-time highs. And again, I'm looking at all the things we were talking about, all of our levels and how beautiful they all worked out. It's just, oh my gosh, I can't. And then we have Ethereum, again, tested $4,000 before on stream live here. We have that golden zone that begins at 39.60 just about. And that, I think, could bring us to our next level, which is 41.75. And then after that, it's your all-time high, which is that wick high right there of 48.70. So we're really not close we're really not far from all-time highs. We're so close yet so far. Ethereum has been battling to get to $4,000. We have a green dot that's sort of playing out, bringing the momentum up, as well as the money flow and the RSI over here on Ethereum. But I want to see that RSI maybe, not that RSI, the VWAP possibly pick up a little bit because we had that sharp pickup here. But I would like to see it continue. Wow, killing it. Litecoin, the freaking right coin. I love Litecoin so freaking much. Shout out to Litecoin. Litecoin Summit is amazing, and I know you guys want to be there. So $84 a ticket, you can be there. Literally the price of one Litecoin. Even a few dollars less than the price of one Litecoin can get you a ticket to Litecoin Summit. Only $84, July 24th to the 25th in Nashville. Beautiful Tennessee. So I hope to see you all there. Let me know. Do you guys want to come to Litecoin Summit? Put a 1 or a yes emoji in the chat. Let me know. Do you want to come to Litecoin Summit? All right. Let's see what's going on. $86.95 at the second that we are reading the price. Down at 1.38%. That VWAP has a little bit of curvature, but I want to see confidence. I want to see a nice spike upward, even though that was kind of a ratchet little arrow, but it's the way I felt. We also have some really nice money flow coming in for Litecoin, which I enjoy, though a red dot is just pulling this momentum down. The RSI, I want to gain some momentum there. We were overbought, but we sharply came back down and are still looking in that negative direction, which I hope does change. I really, really want to get above this $91 Litecoin. I just feel a vibe about it. I think $91, if we could really just sustain support there, it would be a beautiful thing. Because the other day we had that high of 95, that next resistance is at $92. So yeah, those are the levels I'm watching for Litecoin, staying above 85 and heading towards $91. Let's see what's next. You guys want to go to the Litecoin Summit? Look how beautiful this is in the chat. All the love for Litecoin Summit. Wow. Yes, come to Litecoin Summit, everybody. Come to Litecoin Summit. All right, let's Dogecoin, man. Dogecoin, coming off that 20-cent zest from the other day, is still quite beautiful. I'm not going to lie. I love the Doge. I love doing only good every day, man. We're basically at 16.5 cents, 4.20% in the green today. We do have that Christmas tree action going on. Red, green, then red dot on the momentum, pulling it down a little bit. We do have that VWAP that's spiking up pretty confidently, so I would like to see if it continues going. Money flow is doing pretty decent. RSI is completely overbought, but not as bad as it was, and maintaining, which is pretty interesting to say the least. Now, it is one of the things that are up today. The market's kind of mixed, as you guys can tell from the recap. There's a little bit of mix of red and green going on here, but we do have that 14 cents that we were watching. Sustained that 12 cents. It seems like it was defended by these wicks. Oh, poop. There we go. And bullishly, I'm looking at that 19 cents still. I'm still going to look. I'm always going to look. You know, I can't help myself but look. But yeah, those are the levels I'm watching for Doge. So I'm hoping that maybe we have a green weekend. Maybe we have a green weekend. Let's see what happens. Cortez says Doge to the moon. Look at my little doji right here from Gary Littlemore. RM, thank you for the rose. Every time Bitcoin reaches a high, I appear. Yeah, that's because I will not leave. I'm just like a little obsessed. I just like love my Bitcoin so much. Whoa. Look at Bitcoins, guys. Look at Bitcoins at 67 too. Yikes. Because again, 67.6 is the resistance, and then the other day where we hit all-time highs on this red candle, we hit 69.3 and we retraced all the way down to 63.7. So we do see that when we have all-time highs, we do retrace, and we could possibly end this in the red for the day because that's what happened the other time we hit all-time highs. And especially if you look back to where we hit all-time highs back in 2021, November. We hit all-time highs just over 69K and immediately retraced and closed that day in the red. So do you guys think that the pattern will follow, that we will hit an all-time high, yet leave the day in the red? Put a 1 or a yes emoji for a red day, or put a 2 and a no emoji if you think I'm crazy and we're not going to have a red day. Because we're on the verge of being flat from where we started the day off. So 1 and yes emoji for red day, and 2 and no emoji for a green day. Put that in the chat. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, mixed reviews in the chat. I see some yeses, I see some nos. All right, all right. I don't know, guys. We're at 66.8. Oh. Yes, see, we close out the hour in the red. Oh, no. The hour has a red dot printed. Oh, no. Let's go to the 4. 4-hour red dot. Oh, my gosh, no. 15-minute, we might be set to print a red dot on the 15-minute. Oh.
Oh my God!
I just hope we hold, man. I just hope we hold. That's all I want. That's all I need in my life is to hold. Hodl, hodl, hodl. Wow. Sheesh, what's going to happen, guys? Smokestream, thank you for putting all the stats in the chat for everybody to see. I appreciate that. Oh, I'm a little shook. I'm a little shooketh. What's going on right now? What do you guys think in the chat? Jeff Carr, hello. Nice to see you. Wow, this is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. All set, hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang. I freaking love that song that Chump was playing before. Buy the dips, Flatsmack says. A lot of people would not have the audacity to do so right now. That's the thing, Flatsmack. Everyone's like, what do I do? And a lot of people aren't trading at all, which I'm scared to trade in this type of environment. I don't really trade to begin with. I just like kind of buy and hodl. But looking at the chartery, I'd be scared. But a lot of people definitely get degen and they like to make moves and do a lot of leverage in their moves. Cameron said, dump, no doubt. Yeah, you know your face looks upset. I'm not upset. I'm not upset. I wouldn't say I'm upset. I'm very happy with Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is at. I think it's a very great time to be in Bitcoin. And a lot of people in the chat too. DCA. I think DCA is very important because dollar cost averaging, you're able to acquire Bitcoin no matter what the price is at. And whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, whatever it is. So I think it's pretty important. Dollar cost averaging. I think it's a great way to start accumulating crypto. And the fact is that it doesn't matter how much Bitcoin is worth because it matters that you have money that belongs to you. That's all that I care about. And exactly, the dips still are at good highs. We're at 67K still. So I'm not really concerned. I'm really not. We're trying to defend 67K. If it was really a crazy dip, once we hit 70K, it would have maybe came down to test that 63.6. So right now, I'm not really worried about it. And even if we did come back down and hit that 63.6 like we did the other day when we hit 69.3, I'm okay with it. I'm okay. We have 191 out of 200 likes. Pump up these likes. Let's do the sub count. Sub count. Baby, it's a sub count. I'm gonna check these sweet subs. Why don't you check yours too? All right. We have 15,681 subscribers. Let's go. Maybe we could hit 15,685 if 4 more people are out there. Are you out there? 4 more individuals that are not subscribed to the channel. Johanna said, "Wow, yeah, I'm wowed too." Jeff Carr said 66K. Oh, did we do? We did have a wick low to 66.6. Yes, we did. Yeah, and then that's 66.8. All of that crazy stuff. If you're not subscribed, why not? I agree, Gary Littlemore. I agree. I'm with you. I'm with you. Oh my gosh, 67 too. Oh, I'm scared. All right. People are talking about Caspa in the chat. Let's go to Caspa Daily. Woo. Okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that TA respecting at that 14.5 cents. It's getting defended to the top degree. So yeah, I'm looking at that 15 cents, 14.5 cents. Ideally, you hold support there and then see if you could keep testing 16 and see what happens. But again, it's not, I don't have the best of the zest here, but that's because the whole market is kind of all in a bunch. And look at Pepe, man. All-time highs for Pepe. For little Pepe, little Pepe, Pepe, little Pepe. Look at Pepe go. Wow. SHIB maintaining support here at 30.80, which is nice. Next level to look at, I would say, is right here where you had some rejections and chop. And, of course, where you had that first kind of beginning there is probably more important for the macro bullish angle. I would look at that. But it looks like a while away, but it seems like for SHIB, it's not that far. 7%. Very nice, Pepe. Not Pepe, SHIB. Up 170% in the week. Up 228% year to date. That's bonkers, dude. Smokestream, support women-owned businesses. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it's International Women's Day. So shout out to all my ladies. Shout out to all my ladies. Random love to my ladies in the chat and in crypto and in the world. We need to love and give zest to all ladies out there. So smash the like to support the channel as a woman for International Women's Day. And we're just going to get after it. We're going to continue to get after it. Smokestream said, yeah, women. Yay, pump it up for women. Why not allowed to subscribe here? Incognito, you need to go to YouTube to get a membership and stuff. Frugally, what am I doing? I am zesting and doing the podcast, my friend. How are you? What are you up to? We love women, says Flatsmack. Yes, we love women. Woot woot for the leads. I'm so excited. I'm freaking excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Oh, I'm so blessed. Oh, I hit that. I'm so blessed that Bitcoin hit all-time highs on this stream. It's just like the Bitcoin gods are like, let's hit all-time highs on the stream. I just love it so much. Mark Rowe, where are the ladies at? Yes, we need more women in the space for sure. I think that for sure. No, man, it's not your day. That's so funny. 4 more likes, guys. 4 more likes. Let's get 200 likes on this, guys. Let's pamp it up. 200 likes. Come on, 4 more. 4 more. Coding, nice to see you. 3 more likes now. Let's go. Give it up to the ladies, guys. Yes, let's go. D miners. So hit 200 likes for the women. Yes, for the women. For the women. And subscribers too, guys. Subscribers. 682. Ideally, we want to do that 15.7, but, I'm not going to push it, Not going to push, but let's subscribe. Yes, let's get 200 likes. Let's get 200 likes. Wow. I can't believe what's going on. 66.3. 66.4 for Bitcoin. Gotta go back. Yeah. Slightly in the red right now. Slightly in the red. Down 0.55%. Uh-oh. Double O, thank you. He said, happy Women's Day. I appreciate it. Thank you, everyone that's supporting all the women in this space, because I know sometimes it could be a little bit of a bros club in one area or another. And, it's just, I love being a woman. You know that song? I love being a woman. But yeah, I genuinely do love being a woman in this space to help bring other women in the space and other youngins as well. But yeah, love that. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Did we hit the 200? We did. Shout out to D Miners and everyone that was hyping in the chat. Kirk McIntyre. Romo Royale said, here's your 200 likes. Thank you. Holy shoes. Nice to see you. Oh, guys, this is crazy. So glad. Leroy says, so glad we all witnessed all-time high only here or be nowhere. Yes, absolutely. I love this stream, and I love that we get to witness history together. It's such a blessing, man. B-Team says, shout out to all the daughters, sisters, and the moms. Yes, rain of love for them all. Actually, this is better. For the women. Wow. Flatsmack said, that's twice I watched all-time highs here. Yes, and we will continue to watch the all-time highs. We will continue to report on all of it because this is what we're going to get after, man. Mark Rose said, I think you will have a lot of Bitcoin all-time high streams this year. I sure hope so. Travel Short said, hi, Randy. You're the first YouTuber I am a member of. Aww. Well, thank you, Travel. I'm honored to be your first membership. And I hope we all stick together. We are a family. That's why I call you guys the Zesty fam, because we are family. And this is a ride that family goes through, man. The ups, the downs, the good, the bad, the dirty, all of it. We're here together. We're getting after it. And we're always going to be able to remember these times together. Travel Short said he was here when it reached 69K both times. I agree. MK says we need a meetup. That's why I want you guys to please come to Litecoin Summit. I'm begging y'all. Come to Litecoin Summit. And you guys want to have a meetup, come meet me here. Only $84 for a ticket. That is so unheard of for all of these crazy conferences that they try to make you pay gosh knows how much money for absolutely the same people that go to every conference anyway. This conference is different. There's a lot of thought leaders, a lot of really important people that are going to be here that you guys can meet for $84. Like, that's crazy. Just really high quality people. I love Litecoin. Why it didn't hit 70K? It did hit 70K. Do I think it will? It did. Yeah, right? Roger, that's funny, dude. It's ironic, right? D Miners, my God, where would I be without my wonderful lady partner? She's my rock. Oh, that's so cute, D Miners. That's beautiful. But yeah, please come to Litecoin Summit, July 24th to the 25th. And make sure you guys come to Nashville, Tennessee. It's going to be so beautiful. Shout out to everybody that's watching everywhere. Again, over 600, basically 700 people over there on X. We got beautiful over 150 people on YouTube. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Yeah, the Bitcoin hit all-time high on Coinbase, but apparently people are saying it didn't on Binance. I mean, I don't know. We saw Bitcoin all-time high here. So I feel like Coinbase is always a chart I use to see all-time highs and all that type of things. But yeah, this is so amazing. I'm so freaking honored, guys. So thank you so much for spending this time with me. We're gonna see what happens with Bitcoin today, and if it continues to go bananas, then we will be back. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about Bitcoin. I'm so bullish on this space. We are just getting started. So I really hope you guys know that we are going to get through this together. Gary said, have I ever been to the UK? No, I have not. But this is what the beauty of crypto is that everybody here is from different parts of the world, and crypto has brought me to a bunch of different parts of the country, and I don't think I've done an international trip for crypto yet. So I hope to do my first international crypto event soon. But yeah, I have a lot of big plans for the future, a lot of people I'm talking to, and I'm always trying to do things that benefit the community and benefit you guys and bring good things to you. So that's why I work with amazing people like we have our amazing sponsors too that are just high quality people all around. Cake Wallet to store your crypto in an open source wallet. Market Cipher, where you are able to have a lot of assistance with your chartery, where I personally learned so much about charts, and I don't think I would have gotten to the knowledge I have so fast if it wasn't for the beauty of Market Cipher. So I'm just shouting that out. And also Crypto Savings Expert, who is a new partner but highly educational, where you can get 15% off your first month or the entire year if you use this link. And I just think it's just so important. And if you have people in your life that you want to like just give them like, you know, access to these things, I think it's kind of worth it to be able to help people and educate them. What is Bitcoin? What is trading? And how to get into this space. So all the education you need is a part of this channel. You want 1 to 2 minute intro to crypto videos? That's on this channel too. On the street interviews, all the thought leaders and most of the thought leaders in this space that you have heard of have been on the show as well. So this is just, we want to build the foundation for this channel so that it's the foundation for adoption, learning about people in this space, and what the fundamental value of Bitcoin is. Fundamentals over pumpamentals every single day. And I hope you guys stick to that, because once you get greedy, once you try to grab the money, that's where sometimes a lot of things go wrong. So keep calm, hodl on, stay zesty. Most importantly, take your crypto off of the exchange. If you are not trading, you can always send it back. In times of volatility where Bitcoin pumps or dumps, there will be exchanges that do not work correctly. What you could do is set your limit orders when you know that you might have a move you need to make. Otherwise, take your crypto off of the exchanges. You can always send it back. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, a happy Friday. This is an amazing time to be alive, an amazing time to be in crypto. Keep calm, hodl on, like I said. If Bitcoin starts to go crazy, I will do my best to be at this desk to make sure we are going off and we are watching the stream and the price action together, because this is where history is made. This is where you watch history develop. I'm so excited. Have an amazing day, a happy Friday, an amazing weekend. Smash the like, subscribe, and share the stream out with friends. And stay, what am I going to say? Saying in the chat, kids. Saying in the chat, my beautiful zesty fam. Stay zesty. Peace.
Hucksters.
Gary, you've been doing this all
fraudsters,
week. I think you have an attention
scam
issue.
artists, Ponzi schemes,